There's no doubt that it's been quiet in terms of tropical activity out in the Atlantic Ocean, but in other parts of the world, it's been quite active, especially in the Eastern Pacific, where there are currently 3 named storms right now. Tropical Storm Home did impact Hawaii's Big Island, dropping several inches of rainfall, even up to 2 feet of rain in some areas there on the Big Island. But there's also Tropical Storm Hector and one named Hurricane Gilma over there. And then there's also Major Typhoon Shanshan over in Japan. Right now, it is currently stalled over Japan's southwestern islands, but it is anticipated to impact the mainland of Japan. This will be the first major typhoon to impact the main island of Japan in several years. But going back to the Atlantic Ocean, things are going to start ramping up within the next several weeks, and within the next 7 days, the National Hurricane Center has put out a 20% chance of development, as models are starting to pick up on something developing there. It is still, though, unclear what exactly will develop and where it's going to track, but right now models are indicating that it's going to stay off the U.S. East Coast, but it is still something that we are keeping an eye on and need to monitor. As we approach the start of September and going into mid-September, we're anticipating things to stay active, especially in the Gulf of Mexico and out in the central Atlantic Ocean. We'll definitely keep you updated as things start to develop and where they're going to track.